I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're logged in, so open Facebook and go straight to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On mobile, use the three-line menu. On desktop, use the account arrow. Once there, look for Media, Videos and Photos, or a Data Saver entry. The label varies by app version. Start with the app first. This is where Facebook limits video quality and background image loading to save data. Make sure you have Wi-Fi or sufficient cellular data before you toggle anything. Once you're in Media or Videos and Photos, scan the list for Data Saver or similar toggles. If Data Saver is on, tap it to turn it off. This restores higher image resolution and full autoplay behavior. Also, set video autoplay and video quality to HD or default so content loads normally. On desktop, check video settings and choose Allow HD. Make sure to read brief notes. Facebook explains what each option affects, then exit to apply changes. After changing settings, restart the app and test by playing a video or loading image-rich posts. You should see improved quality and autoplay. If nothing changes, check that your phone's system low data mode or a carrier data saver isn't active. Disable it if needed. Also, update Facebook to the latest version and clear the app cache. These steps resolve most stubborn cases. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, because that forces Facebook to reapply your new preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.